You're going to make transformation word brew. This is where we're going to change words by just changing a letter or two. Like right now, we have the word yum. But I can change the M to CK to make yuck. Or instead of the ending, we can change the middle sound to make yam. In the first pot, you're going to change ip to slip. What is the sound you hear first in slip? S. What letter represents the S sound? S. Beginning sound, the middle sound, or the ending sound in words. Have fun making your own transformation word brew.